Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a happy Saturday to everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how to copy and transfer files from your physical machine to a virtual machine. Okay, so virtual machine can be anything, a Windows 7, a Windows 10 or a Linux based operating system. And mostly this utility is going to be pivotal if you are running a virtual machine that hosts Linux based operating systems. Okay, also where drag and drop at times does not work, and also this will be coming handy if you're running just a terminal based operating system, like for example Metaspoitable Linux, okay, which is a Ubuntu distribution operating system, Ubuntu distribution. And this is mainly used if you're learning penetration tester or an ethical hacker. Okay, so let's begin. So all you have to do is you just have to download a tool called FileZilla. This will come handy if drag and drop option isn't working. Okay, so all you have to do is just download FileZilla. Just go ahead and do a normal Google search, and the very first link allows you to download the FileZilla utility from the FileZilla official website itself. So just you have to do what you have to do is download FileZilla client and have it installed. Okay, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to have it installed. I have already installed it on my physical machine, which will be my source, where the file is residing, which I want to copy over to my virtual machine. Okay, so virtual machine can be of two types. One is a GUI based graphical user interface, another one is a terminal based, where there will be just a user interactive session. Okay, where there won't be a graphical user interface, it will be just a normal terminal console which would allow you to interact. So where Metasploitable Linux is one of a good example. Okay, where drag and drop does not work, and henceforth all you are left with is use a third party utility in the form of FileZilla file transfer utility. Okay, which works on FTP protocol. So I'm here starting my Metasploitable Linux operating system. Okay, I have started my virtual machine, and here you go. I'm just putting in my credentials, MSF admin, and password. Right, you can see here this is my Metasploitable Linux operating system. Okay, and I'm just putting ls here, and I am having only single directory in my root directory, which is vulnerable directory. Okay, and here I'm going to place a file here. Okay, so let me quickly move on to the vulnerable directory, and I will hit enter, and I will just put ls again, and I will just show the existing files that are available here, which is mysql-ssl, samba, tikiviki, twiki. So these are the folders available within the vulnerable directory. Now I am going to copy and move a file in this particular directory, vulnerable directory. How am I going to do that? With the help of FileZilla tool. So let's begin. Let me quickly launch FileZilla tool from my Windows host, the source host, and I'm just going to quickly check my IP address of my Metasploitable Linux virtual machine, which is 192.168.0.100. And the machine obviously needs to be part of bridge network. That means it must be connected to a LAN network adapter, LAN adapter, rather than the virtual machine should be integrated as a LAN or bridge network rather than NAT adapter. Okay, so let me quickly launch FileZilla application. So I have launched the FileZilla application. So post installation, once you open the program from the search menu on your Windows host machine, okay, and if you open the FileZilla tool, it will just resemble like this. The home page will resemble like this. All you have to do is you have to type in the host name, which is the IP address I'm just gonna give, 192.168.0.100 is the tool. Sorry, Metasploitable Linux Virtual Machine's IP address. Username, I'm just going to say MSF admin. Okay, and you need to put in the credentials of your target machine, then your local host credentials. Okay, I'm just going to put in the password, and port shall be 21, and I'm just going to say quickly connect. And you would immediately, when you click on quick connect after specifying the port 21, you will get a pop-up like this. Say just say okay to it. And as soon as you do that, you can see I was successfully able to connect to my the destination machine or the target machine where I would be transferring or copying the files over to. You can see the vulnerable directory here, which is getting highlighted. As you can see from the home directory, there is subdirectory MSF admin. Under the MSF subdomain directory, there is another sub directory, which is the vulnerable directory. Okay, which I showed you just some time ago. Okay, and we are at the vulnerable directory locally, okay, within the virtual host machine. And now I'm going to just copy and drag over files that I want to move from my source machine to the destination machine. Okay, all you have to do is for example, I have just moved on to my desktop directory on my source machine. Okay, I have a couple of text files here which I want to move. So let's say I want to move this SQL injection.txt file to the target machine, which is the virtual machine, the Metasploitable one Linux operating system, and I will just click and drag and drop it. So we'll do it once again for you. I'm just going to drag and place it here, and you can see you will get a pop-up. All files have been successfully transferred. And here you can see the file has been successfully moved without any issues. And let me go to the actual destination machine, and I will just type ls to verify if the file got transferred or not in real time. And as you can see here, once I typed ls, you can see the SQL injection.txt file appearing here, right? And so that proves that this utility is going to come very handy if you are trying to move over files from your source machine to this destination virtual machine with ease. Okay, you need not do anything, just download this file and it's ready to use. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the support button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, eat healthy, stay safe, cheers, tata, bye bye, thank you.